Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to turn your Chromebook into an Xbox One. For this you will need three things. You will need a controller. For me, I recommend using the Xbox One controller. You can find them anywhere from $40 to $60 new. I just bought one on Amazon for $40. You can pair it with the Bluetooth or you can plug it in with the cable. I prefer to plug it in. The second thing you will need is the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. One of my previous videos, I show you how to get 4 months for $16. And the third thing you will need, of course, is the Chromebook and a good internet connection. So let's do this. First thing you're going to do once you have your account with the subscription and once you have the controller plugged in or connected, you're going to go on the xbox.com site and you will see this button right here says play. So once you logged in, you're gonna press that play. So once the site opens up, it's a cloud gaming beta, and now we can see all the games that are being offered to play, and there's quite a lot. I'm not gonna go like each one, but I'm just gonna browse slowly so you guys can see if there's any games you wanna play. There's new Halo, Jurassic Park. There's really a lot of games, probably like 100 games, probably even more. There's also Quake, there's all Doom games, there's Skate 3, Star Wars, State of Decay. There's a lot of different games. Now keep in mind you do need a really good connection so you not experience any lag or anything like that because this is streaming online. So let's try to do Skate 3. I haven't played this game in forever. So it loads up pretty fast. And now it says browser supported, network supported, controller disconnect. So all you have to do is press the power button on your controller. And now we can play. Now it's doing a bit of setup. This can take anywhere from a minute to a couple minutes depending on your Chromebook and internet connection. It says failed to start gaming session. I just did it like before the video. I just played a little bit, so let's give it another try. Sometimes this will happen, but I just played Back for Blood, which was more graphic intensive game. Let's give it another try. Because this is in beta, oh there we go. Because this is in beta, it still has a lot of glitches and stuff, so you gotta be patient with it. Now this is an Xbox 360 game. But as I mentioned, I already played one of the new Xbox One games, Back for Blood. Now we're going to select the language with your controller. I'm going to do English. And also what we can do is we can enter full screen. And for example, if you have headset connected, you can mute it on your Chromebook and just listen through the headset. So let's press play to continue. Your gamer fraud is not signed in, you will not be able to save your progress. I don't care about that. I forgot how to play. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Go to marker. And there we go. Now let's try a different game. Can't find the controllers on this, but this one works fine. Let's try another one. Let's see. Let's see if we can do this one. Now you can use your mouse or you can use controller. Now let's press play. Sometimes it is taking a longer time, and once in a while you will receive an error saying it's not session is not ready. But sometimes it just starts. By the way, also you can, for example, you can chat with your friends, you can start a party, so you can basically play it as if you had an actual Xbox. That's why I recommended the Xbox One controller, because you can use extra options for it. Here we go. Now we're just gonna press A, accept license, accept privacy. Now let's see. Let's do co-op. Let's do offline. And let's see. Let's do episode 1. Let's do a quick play. Normal. So far everything is pretty smooth. Oh, I'm supposed to press ready. So joining server. Let's see how... Wow, loading is so fast right now. Look at that. This is definitely faster than the Xbox One S. Not the Series S. Series S is pretty fast, but this is pretty fast.
We're in the parking garage under the State Mall.
It's where the distress call came from. Bumashkov, you and your team stay in the sewer with Svetlana. Watch the tunnels.
We'll scout ahead and let you know when it's safe.
Everybody stay quiet.
Zeke, let's pick them off quietly.
I forgot what's the melee attack. Oh no!
Give me a sec.
I have to adjust my controller sensitivity. Oh wow!
Get off me, you creep! There was a battle here. No survivors yet.
Take out this creep!
Please be lucky. I'm reloading. To the patrol. Your team was here, but there's no one left. Just a truck and some boxes.
I need to leave. I'm coming in.
The area's safe for now. Bumashkov, get inside. We're coming in. Go straight down the long corridor.
Alright, we got a lot of zombies coming in.
Fire in the hole! Gas back! Silence here!
Oh, actually, that's my allies.
Look out for the gas cloud! There's a creeper near. Be quick! What are you looking for?
So far, it's playing pretty smooth. No issues.
What?
A little bit of lag every once in a while, but again, that could be due to my internet connection. So
We'll try to keep this off you, but be quick.
Cosmetic inbound! Hey, watch your shots!
And there we go, guys. I mean, I could play this game for hours, but since I'm doing the whole tutorial, I'm gonna quit now. But yeah, as you guys can see, I just played that game really nicely. I don't, you can play this even if you don't have an Xbox. As I mentioned, you will need three things. You will need a controller, subscription, and very good internet connection. And that's it. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.